Not only does this video seminar provide me with further insight into exactly what integral therapy is and how it works, but it also offers me a direction to delve deeper into the essence. For instance, John Dupuy has guided me to Ken Wilber, who describes integral theory as a combination of different human levels of understanding, from archaic, magical, mystical, and rational to an overarching understanding unique to our times. Wilber explains that each of these developments hold truth. This theory is compatible with Buddhism and Taoism, where there is no absolute truth, while simultaneously in existence with multiple truths. Even in Western thought, such as psychopathology, we often shift paradigms when describing the same condition, or even view different conditions through the same paradigm. This concept is not exactly what integral theory proposes, but it is the means by which I am able to embrace this theory and apply it congruently to my funds of knowledge. There were several lines that Dupuy gave that had a heavy impact on my understanding. He said relapse is not taking a substance again, but rather when one stops practicing. No matter what he means by practice, I know exactly to what this refers. I call it letting my guard down. These are not necessarily synonymous, but the idea is that a relapse is a state in the mind that exists before the action of going down that self-destructive path begins. Only through full mind-body awareness can we expect to recognize this transformation in our psyche. Another powerful concept in relation to awareness is that with it, we suffer more, but it bothers us less. This clearly parallels the idea that all life is suffering. I've always found ease in the teachings of Buddha from my introduction in elementary school. While such beliefs were often disregarded by my peers and regarded as unconventional in Western society, they're commonplace and of the norm in Thailand, where I now reside. I'm not a Buddhist, nor have I ever adopted a religion, but my perspective of the universe resonates with Eastern philosophies in general. At the same time, much of the Western philosophy I studied as an undergraduate and psychology to which I have been exposed presents a harmonious bridge from all my human levels of understanding. I'm starting to make connections which I have never made before. Pieces are slowly coming together, and integral theory will certainly be a pillar of my already holistic therapeutic approach. This notion comforts me.